I'm taking a video of him. Pascal.
Pascali.
He looked at me.
I know too.
I got your feet. He's gonna jump up, I know it. I know he's gonna jump up. Don't stop. He's thinking about jumping up.
I know, just trying to see if he'll go on his hind legs like a kangaroo.
Oh. It's only been a minute. I got my butt and face. I got you in the background. That was funny. Not my buttons, baby.
Oh my God. Pascal! Oh my God.
Put him in the window.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Is he in there?
Yes.
Move.
I'm gonna pick up this stuff.
I will just move.
I ripped my skirt.
I kind of figured it.
101.3 KDWB #1.